We strive to give all skills to our clients that are needed in this ever-growing industry. We are accredited with TETU and CETU approved to offer all mining and construction machinery. We also renew expired licenses and certificates. Call us/WhatsApp +270 7315 82436. All foreigners are welcome. We will offer free accommodation for international students and for those staying far. Register Big Machine and get free forklift training. We offer the following courses. Come and join us today. Call/WhatsApp Abdul at 0731582436. 1. Forklift R800 5 days to reach truck R2000 5 days to TLB R3000 2 weeks 3 excavator R4000 2 weeks 4 front end loader R3500 2 weeks 5 mobile crane C30 350 tons R4500 2 weeks 6 mobile crane C35 250 tons R5500 2 weeks 7 grader R5000 2 weeks 8 roller R3500 2 weeks 9 dump truck at construction R4500 2 weeks 10 dump truck 777 DR5000 2 week 11 dump truck without restriction R75 512 tower crane C41 Cab C42 Rem R4500 2 weeks 13 overhead crane C30 C31 R4500 1 week 14 bulldozer R4000 2 weeks training 15 plumbing R7500 2 weeks 16 utility vehicle R5000 2 weeks 17 advanced rigging R10000 2 weeks 18 arc welding R5500 2 weeks 19 CO2 welding R5500 2 weeks 20 aluminium welding R6000 2 weeks 21 boiler making R6000 2 weeks. Other courses. Call us/WhatsApp +270 731 58 24 36 23 pipe laying R4000 1 week 24 bricklaying R9500 2 weeks 25 painting R5500 1 week 26 paving R5500 1 week 27 tiling R7500 2 weeks 28 shuttering R5500 5 days 29 road safety R3500 5 days 30 first aid R1500 3 days 31 firefighting R1800 2 days 32 maintaining of occupational healthy and safety R1800 3 days 33 diesel motor mechanic R1 2003 _4 weeks 34 motor mechanics R12500 3 _4 weeks 35 auto electrician R12500 2 _3 weeks 36 R12500 1 day 37 road safety R34500 5 days 38 safety officer R6000 5 days C39 finance management R10000 2 weeks 40 Code 14 R12041 Code 10 R6542 Learners R1860 For booking call WhatsApp Abdul at 073 1582 436. Email us newlanioperators@yahoo.com. Tel 0118241189 Cell 0731 582 436/060 4291 718